Hi guys, good morning everyone. So today is 18th October and new day, new POC demonstration phase, right? Today I could not able to make the POC because whatever currently I was doing, the performance of that application was not exactly what I was expecting. So even I created a small POC for, I would say for you guys, that is code assistant, right? But unfortunately, the performance I received was terribly slow, which is not giving me even the enough space to demonstrate this POC because I believe that it should be better. Now, what I have done in this is that I used Ollama, uh, and based on this Ollama framework, I was using the model which is released from Meta, which is Code Llama, right? And this Code Llama, I was trying to get the work. I mean, I was trying to use this code Llama as a code assistant. So I created one wrapper over the code Llama so that when I call my own assistant, code assistant, it indirectly call the code Llama, get the response from them, and assign that response to me. So kind of handshaking between my code assistant and code Llama, they are handshaking to each other, and the response, whatever the code Llama is generating, I am receiving that also, and I am just trying to showcase that one in my, I would say, right? So that could be seen here. Let's say this is the small segment where this code assistant will be showcased. But what I feel that it is the first question I am asking, that who are you? So they have to showcase you the identity first, right? Who is this? Who is this code assistant? Maybe this will tell you that, hey, I am a Hustler coder as a code assistant, and it is created by Avinash Mishra, kind of something, right? That is what I instructed them to say, right? But rest of the thing will go like any call I will do, that will in that call to the code Llama, and whatever the response I will get from code Llama, I will share to this window. Uh, but what I see here that the performance was really slow, really slow. I don't know why it is so slow, but it is slow. Let me show you the even my task status also, which will give you the terrible performance. Right. So if you look at this, after so many, after lots of time, it is saying that I am Hustler Coder, a code assistant, teaching assistant created by Avinash Mishra. My purpose is to assist with you any question related to code and coding. That is what I was instructed them to tell whenever somebody asks, who are you? Okay. But rest of the question, like, it will delegate it to Code Llama. Now, the basic question of that, can you write one function for me in which I will swap two variable without using any additional variable? Very famous question in earlier time when people are asked function, right? So it is doing the right work. I think output wise, this is correct. There is an example of swapping, right? And what swap method will do, function swap return b comma a. So that is how they just return the value, right? All right. So here is your swap method will do. Okay. So that part is correct. But as far as the performance is concerned, it is really terribly slow, and it should not work in this way. Yes, it is correct that this is also correct that my system configuration, maybe we don't have any GPU as of now here. So this is the reason behind the slow performance of this code app. So I will try another sometime, after some time, maybe another effort I will put where I take some cloud.
You define AGI, and how do you think you'll know?
I think there's a lot of valid definitions to this, but for me, AGI is basically the equivalent of a median human that you could hire as a coworker. And then they could say, do anything that you'd be happy with a remote coworker doing just behind a computer, which includes, learning how to go be a doctor, learning how to go be a very competent coder. There's a lot of stuff that a median human is capable of getting good at. And I think one of the skills of an AGI is not any particular milestone, but a meta skill of learning to figure things out, and that it can go decide to get good at whatever you need.
The term AGI is